Hi, welcome to In the Workshop. I'm David. Today we're going to get rid of this. I've had this kicking around the workshop for about a month now, and it's a heavy duty instant garage. So join me in a second and we'll put it up. This parcel's pretty heavy. It weighs in 52 kilograms. So this is the area I'm going to put it up. I haven't prepped the floor because I haven't got time, because I could do with using this very shortly to work on my daughter's car. So I'll have to sort that after. It's got AstroTurf on here. But yeah, it all needs cleaning up. But what I'll do, we'll erect this garage and then I'll sort it out after. Might have to move these slabs, the couple that are there. But I'll probably end up putting slabs inside it sometime anyway. But first job, I just want to get this put up. Wow, that's a lot of steel. That's why it weighs so much. Right, so I've got that part of the frame up. got to hurry up because it won't be long before it's dark. So I've dug down on this side to get it nice and level. I know this is just a quick bodgy way of doing it. I've sat the feet on top of some AstroTurf just so they're not sat in the muck. So what I've got to do is just carry on. But like I say, it won't be long before it's dark, so got to get a shift on. Right, the next step is to put these ground anchors in. So they go on the inside of the garage, so they say. And they're going to be wired through these holes to here. My plan is sometime to have these concreted in, but actually it is a good idea to have it up first and then figure out what I'm going to do later on. But yeah, I could concrete these in. Very dark now, so I've had to get my sight light out. So I think everything else is just done from inside here. So let's see how we get on. I've just been in, I've just had my Sunday dinner, or Sunday tea as I call it. So the time at the minute is 5:24. So yeah, I need to get a shift on. So what I've done up to yet, so I've been putting the bars through, threading them through the sleeves on there, and then putting the brackets on. So I've got to do that again on this side. Got these to thread through across there, and then the idea is you push down on the bars. You push down on the bars to tighten it up while you do the ratchet straps in the corner, and then tighten up the bolts to get all the covered nice and tight. So let's get on and get it done. Right, so that's it. It's all up. I'm gonna have to see if I can try and get the roof a bit tighter, but everywhere's tight. Just could do with, I want it really drum tight. So there we go. We'll have a look at it tomorrow, but at least it's all up. So this is what it looks like in daylight. I'm just going to try and pull it and try and get some of these droops out of it and wrinkles. So I'm going to slacken stuff off and pull it. See if I can get them out. Well, that's as tight as I can get it for now anyway. I'll let it settle, then try and tighten it up another day. If you like the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that'd be great. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It'd be great to have you follow along. So see you next time in the workshop.